Don't be weird. Fucking creepy stalker with your camera.
She loves it.
I do. Okay.
Nah, you didn't. I don't feel like you did it right. Do it again.
The hiccup?
No, I mean, you have to do it twice in a row.
You got a romantic rose.
Romantic rose.
Okay, I'll hold it.
I mean, Chrissy, you have to take that holding your breath thing to the next level.
Dying?
Like, you have to bring it to the point where you really, truly, physically can't go anymore. Till you're, like, shaking and like, oh. They don't go wrong. Alright, I'm going to take my contacts out.
Seems like... Any more?
Can I breathe out my mouth?
No, if you breathe, then it ruins the whole point.